China's biopharma world, there's intense debate over whether in-licensing is an efficient way of getting to an end or simply storytelling based on business model innovation. Can it truly promote sustainable innovation? The biggest advantage of in-licensing is it's fast. It helps to quickly integrate external resources, build pipelines, continue to achieve financing, and accelerate commercialization. Some biotech companies also use the cash flow created to support their independent R&D. However, companies can be overvalued after more players enter the market and the bubbles inflate. A key word for this is fast innovation. Behind the fastness is expedited resource collection and integration. Of course, the fastness also means the uncertainty increases after the bow is drawn and the string is tight. According to our database, there were 140 cross-border in-licensing transactions last year. Among all Chinese companies, Zai Lab ranked the first with 8 in-licensing projects, securing its position as the BD tycoon. However, despite having been scrutinized by experts, drug licensing projects may still face risks of R&D failure. Here are some examples in 2021. In June 2021, a phase 3 study of blaxphathide plus eribulin for the treatment of HER2-negative metastatic breast cancer failed to meet its co-primary endpoint. In China, Fosun Pharma has the exclusive rights to blaxphathide for metastatic breast cancer. In August 2021, Amgen announced it had stopped enrolling patients in a phase 1 trial of its BiTE therapy, AMG 427. This therapy was included in several previous collaborations between Beijing and Amgen. In November 2021, a phase 3 study of ripretinib in GIST patients previously treated with imatinib failed to meet primary endpoint of improved PFS. Zai Lab has the rights to develop and commercialize ripretinib in Greater China. In December 2021, Bolt Biotherapeutics presented data of BDC-1001 in 40 evaluable patients. The overall remission rate ORR was only 2.5% and DCR was 32.5%. Earlier, Innovent Biologics entered a partnership with Bolt to develop 3 ISAC candidates by leveraging Bolt's technology. Similarly, the BLA for retifanlimab was denied by the US FDA. For one reason, the objective remission rate is lower than expected. For another, the number of patients enrolled was insufficient. In July 2021, Amgen announced to acquire Teneobio, which also included Teneobio's proprietary BiTE platform. However, in February this year, the clinical trials of 3 BiTE therapies were suspended. According to Jefferies analysts, the suspension may be due to the common side effects of immunotherapies like BiTE, which is the risk of developing cytokine release syndrome. These are some of the projects that failed last year. According to our database, among the deals reached by Chinese companies in the past decade, 25 have been terminated, involving enterprises such as HUTCHMED, Stamina Therapeutics, WuXi Biologics, etc. Despite the risks, the in-licensing mode is still well received in China. Chinese enterprises have gradually switched attention to early-stage projects, which shows they are becoming risk-resistant in R&D. For China's pharmaceutical industry, in-licensing high-quality projects to reach a company's own strategic goal is the consensus. This mode is necessary and will continue in the future.